Hi friends, welcome to SriSai online training. So today in this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topics. Right. So the topics what we are going to discuss today in core Java programming language will be basic programming in Java. So we'll see different programs in Java, and that to the basic programming in Java, and then we'll try to understand some basics of Java programming. So how to write a program, what we have to write inside a Java program, okay, how to compile a Java program, how to run a Java program, and then we'll also understand some Java printing methods. So whenever you execute the program, we get the output of the program. So to check the output of the program, we have to use some printing methods. What are those printing methods we are going to discuss today? Right, so let us start with some basic programming in Java. Right, so some technical points which we are supposed to remember whenever we write a Java program in any operating system. So in Java program, we write everything inside a class. We should write everything inside a class, including main method. Okay, including main method. Now what is this main method? So main method is starting point of execution of Java program. So main method is a starting point of execution of a Java program. Okay, now Java programs are saved with .java. Okay, so file name .java as extension. Right, so here file name and main class name. So main class name means class which contains main method. Okay, so file name and main class name. So class which contains main method is known as main class. Should be same, should be same, but it is not compulsory. Not compulsory. So whatever is your main class name and file name should be same, but it is not compulsory. We can have different name also. We'll see that program in the later sessions or videos. Okay, next, for compiling, so what is a command? Okay, so compiling, the command is javac file name dot java. Okay, similarly for running, so after successful compilation, if your program does not have any errors, then we'll get the bytecode. Okay, so when we run the bytecode, we'll get the output of the program. So for running, the command is java followed by class name. Okay, so which class name here? Okay, so the class name is class with main method. So we have to run the main class. We have to run the main class because program execution starts with main method. So these are the basic 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Whenever you're writing or whenever you're working with basic programming in Java. Right, so let us try to do a small program, sample1.java, to display welcome message in the center of the line. Okay, so we will display welcome message on the output screen. okay, in the center of the line. So welcome message on console in center of the line. So console means our output screen. Console means our output screen. Okay, so I'll write a note point here. Note point. Console means basically output screen. The input and the output screen is called as console. Right. So let us take a new page. Control N. Okay. And the first section, what we write at the beginning of a program is comments. Program to display welcome message in console in the center of the line. So this is what is a comment. So comment provide description of a program. Comment is not compiled. Comment is not executed. Okay, it's just provides description of a program. And we write comments using 2/. Next, class sample1, open curly brace, close curly brace, which means body or definition of a class. Now inside this class, program execution starts with main method. So we have to write the main method like this: public static void main string of args, open curly brace, close curly brace. It indicates body or definition of main method. So this is the body or definition of main method, and this whole line 4 to line 8 is the body or definition of class sample1. Right, so sample1 is our main class name because it contains main method. So make sure that your main class name and program name both are same. So let us try to save this. Okay, right, so Control S, save it. Right, so we'll try to save this in our working directory, G:, core Java online programs. Right, so we'll take this as sample1.java. Okay, so our main class name is sample, our program name is sample1.java. Okay, right, so simply .java save. So colors also changed for us. We got comments in green color, we got class, public, static, void keywords in violet color. So this is the speciality of Notepad++, which helps us to work very flexibly in programming, Java programming. Right, now inside this main method, I'll print something like system.out.println. I will print the message as a string in double quotes. So system is a predefined class which indicates current computer system. Out is a predefined object in Java which represents standard output device, which is monitor. Println is a predefined method or function in Java which is used to print some text, message or data. So I'm going to print a string. So string is taken in double quotations. So string is a collection of characters represented in double quotes. So here I'll take hello students. Okay, right, so simply save this. Right, so now this program is understood by me, it is understood by you, but our Java machine does not understand this. So we have to compile this program. So compiling means converting the program into machine understandable format. And during compilation, if your program is having any mistakes, mistakes are shown as compilation errors. Right, so click on the start button, type CMD. you will get the command prompt application. Click and open that. Now go to your working directory where we have saved the program. G : change directory Java, okay, core Java online. Under this, change directory programs. Okay, enter. Now here we have to compile our program. So for compiling, the command is javac followed by filename.java sample1.java. So it will convert this code into bytecode, and the extension for bytecode is dot class, our class name dot class. Okay, enter. And during compilation, if our program has any mistakes are shown as errors. So there are no errors, so we got the bytecode. So check the bytecode dir, you will get the directory structure of your folder. So we got sample1.class. So what is our class name here? Our class name is sample1.class. If our class name is demo, you will get demo.class. Means this whole class is understood by me, is understood by you. Now this is converted into bytecode. .class file means machine understandable code. Okay, so specifically it is JVM understandable code. Okay, now JVM can run this to give the output. How? CLS, clear the screen. So for compiling, javac. For running, Java followed by your main class name. So what is our main class? So this is the main method. It is available in sample1. So sample1 becomes main class. Now we'll try to run this class. No need to give dot class, it is taken automatically. Enter. So JVM will run the main method. You will get hello students. Now I want to get this in the center of the line. How? Okay, right. So before hello, I will use some special characters, \t. So \t is a special character which will take 5 or 8 spaces while printing on the output screen. Okay, so simply save this, come to the command prompt, recompile the program. So use up arrow, down arrow to get the previous commands. So javac sample1.java, enter. No errors, then we'll get the bytecode, run the bytecode. Java sample1.class is not required. So in the main class, main method is executed. So we can see here we got 8 spaces here, right, at the beginning of hello. So similarly, I'll take one more tab space, one more tab space, and one more tab space. 4. 8 for the 32 spaces. Save it. Come to the command prompt. Whenever you do changes to the program, save it, recompile, and rerun. Okay? Right. Compile and run. Now approximately we got it in the middle of the line. So this is how we have to use a special character, tab space, which takes 8 spaces at a time. In old applications it will take 5 spaces. Okay, right. So similarly I'll print one more message also. System.out.println. ln means after printing the data, take the cursor to the next line. Okay, now I will print welcome to Java session. Put one semicolon at the last, which is a end of a statement. It is compulsory in Java programming language. save it. Okay, and then come to the command prompt, recompile and rerun. So we are getting welcome to Java session in the second line from the beginning. I want to move it to the middle. How? It's very simple. Use tab space. 1, 2, 3, 4. So tab space is a combination of two characters, backslash followed by T. So I have taken 4 tab spaces. So recompile and rerun. Okay, so you will get it approximately in the middle of the line. Similarly, I want to print one more message here. The message goes like this. So system.out.println 4 tab spaces, all the best. Right, so simply save this. Right, CLS, clear the screen, recompile and rerun. Right, so we got it approximately in the middle of the screen. Hello students, welcome to Java session, all the best. So this is how we have to work with a tab space. Okay, right, so now we'll try to understand some point here. Whenever we do changes in a program, comma, save it, recompile it and rerun it. Okay, so recompile it and rerun it. Okay, save, recompile and rerun. Right, so simply we can put one flow of execution, write, save, compile and run. So when you compile, if you get any errors, get back to the program in the Notepad++ editor, remove the errors, make the changes and rerun. Write, save, compile, rerun. So this is the basic way of working with Java programming. Right, now let us try to understand some technical points. The first technical point is tab space \T. So it is a special character which takes 8 spaces at a time while printing some text or data on console. And what is console? Console means our output screen. Okay, next, second one, open curly brace, body, close curly brace. We are using this for class definition and main method definition. So it represents a body of a class or method in program. It is also known as block of code. Block of code. It is used as a class or method definition. Body, definition, block of code, all are same here. Okay, so body, block of code or definition, all are same. And here semicolon. So semicolon is not required. Okay, so why? Because this is closed curly brace, open, close. So our Java compiler understands that beginning, ending. So that's why semicolon is not required. Okay, so open curly brace, beginning, beginning of definition, close curly brace, ending of definition. So that's why semicolon is not required here. Okay, right, so third one, delimiter. semicolon is technically known as delimiter. So it represents end of a statement in Java program. So system.out.println hello students, in the last semicolon is compulsory. Okay, so it is compulsory in Java programming. Okay, right. In Python programming, it is not compulsory. In scripting languages like JavaScript, it is not compulsory, but here it is compulsory. And last one, comments. So comments are given with 2/. It represents comment in a program. So comment provides description of a program. So it provides description of a program. Or simply we can say easy understanding of program. So any person who is reading your program, they will get a easy understanding of your program. For example, I am reading this program. So program to display welcome message on console in center of a line. So any person who is reading this program or reviewing this program or modifying, updating this program, they'll have a clear understanding that in this program we are printing the welcome message in the middle of the line. So that is what is the use of comment. So comments are not compiled, not executed. They just provide description about a program. Right. Now we'll see one more basic program in Java language, sample2.java. Okay, and here we are going to display message on the console output screen using print method. In the previous case, we have used system.out.println. After printing, it will go to the next line. Now here we'll use print method. Okay, right. So take a new page, Control N. So first section is comment. So 2/, program to display a message on console using print method. Right. So in Java program, we should write everything inside a class. Okay. So sample2 body, open curly brace, close curly brace. Inside this class only we should write the main method. Public static void main, string of args. So what is this public static void main? We'll discuss later in the coming chapters. Okay, right. So now sample2, make sure your main class name and program name both are same. So sample2, save the program, sample2.java, save it in our working directory, save. So colors also changed for us. So inside the main method we'll write system.out.print. Okay, so what I have to print? Hello students. So simply save the program, come to the command prompt, cls, clear the screen. So compile javac sample2.java, enter. If your program does not have any errors, you will get a successful bytecode sample2.class. So run sample2.class. So dot class is not required, it is taken automatically. So in sample2 main class, JVM will search for main method and program execution starts from main. Okay, enter. So hello students. Okay, right. I want to print one more message here. System.out.print. Okay, something like welcome to Java session. So this is a second message. Save this, come to the command prompt, recompile and rerun. So we are getting welcome to Java session in the same line. Why? because print method, after printing, it will stay the cursor on the same line. But how to get the cursor to the next line? So for this we are going to use one special character, \n. So in the second message before welcome, I'm using \n. So it will take the cursor to the next line of the second message. So simply save this, come to the command prompt, recompile and rerun. So now if you can see here, we got the hello students first line. After that, before welcome, we have a new line. So automatically it will go to the second line, welcome to Java session. So similarly, the third message goes like this here, system.out.print new line character. I'll take something like all the best. Okay, so simply save this, right, recompile and rerun. So we are getting 3 messages in 3 different lines. So this is how we are supposed to work with print method and new line character \n. Okay, right. So we'll try to understand some small technical points related to this. Okay, right. The first technical point goes like this here. Println method is a printing method to print some text or data on console. Okay, after printing, it takes the cursor to the next line, print ln. So ln indicates next line. Okay, print method, it will also print some data or text on the console or output screen. After printing, it stays the cursor on the same line. But if you want to get the message on the next line or data on the next line, then we have to use a new line character. So \n. So it is a special character which is used to take the cursor to the next line while printing some text or data. Right. And next, class, public, static, void. All these are keywords. So keywords means special words or predefined words as per Java language standards with predefined meaning and predefined usage in a program. Okay, so special words or predefined words with special meaning and special usage in a program. Okay, next, system string. So here we are using system and here we are using string. So what is this system and string? So they are not keywords. They are not keywords, but they are predefined classes. And classes starts with a capital letter. Every class starts with a capital letter. It is a standard in Java programming. Right. So now we'll do one more basic programming in Java, sample3.java. Now in this program, we are going to display a message on console or output screen using printf method. So generally we use printf method in C or C++. It is a function in C language. So that is also present in Java. So let us try to work with this. So take a new page. So first section what we are going to write is comments using 2/. So program to print or display a message on console using print method. So in Java program we write everything inside a class. So class sample3, open curly brace, close curly brace. which indicates body or definition or block of code of a class. Now inside this class we'll write the main method, public static void main string of args. Right, so this is the body or definition of a main method. Now let us save this program, sample3.java. Okay, right, now inside this we'll use system.out.printf, and here we'll use hello world or hello students. Okay, right, now simply save this, come to the command prompt. Right, so compile the program, javac sample3.java. Okay, right, if there are no errors we'll get the sample3.class. So java sample3.class. So dot class is not required, it is taken automatically. Run it. So printf function of C++ is available in Java as printf method. Okay, right, now I want to print this, okay, in center of a line. Okay, so center of a line, how? I have to use some tab spaces, 1 2 3 4, so 4 tab spaces, so 32 spaces. Save it, recompile and rerun. Okay, so we'll get it as hello students in the middle of the line. Okay, right, so similarly if I want to print one more message, same thing. So system.out.printf and 4 tab spaces. All right, here I'll take another message, welcome to Java session. Okay, right, so simply save this, recompile and rerun. So now if you see here, I'm getting 32 spaces here, and then it is continuing welcome to Java session as it is. So what I will do, before taking this tab spaces in the second printf method, I'll take one new line also. So new line, tab spaces, welcome to Java session. You'll get that in the next line. So recompile and rerun. So new line and then spaces and then welcome to Java session. Right, I want to print one more message here. So system.out.printf, new line, 4 tab spaces, so total 32 spaces, and then in the last I'll print something like all the best. Right, so simply save this, so recompile and rerun it. So this is how we are supposed to work with the printf. Okay, right, so now here we have understood 3 types of printing methods in Java. Okay, so first one, println, prints text or data or string and takes the cursor to the next line. Print, it prints text, string or data without new line. So third one, printf, it prints text, string or data using format specifiers. So format specifiers means %d, %c, %f, %s will also work in Java, but it is not recommended in Java. So what we have used in C language can also be used here using printf method, but it is not recommendable. So printf method, it is used to print text or data on console, same like C style. So same like C language. So after printing text, it stays on the same line. It stays the cursor on the same line. So it is capable of using format specifiers also, like %F, %D, %S, %C, etc. And finally, text or string in Java is represented in double quotes. Example, hello or welcome to Java. So here space is also one character in Java. It is one character in Java. So this is how we are supposed to work with the different printing methods. Println, print, printf, and then string. Right. So one small assignment for all of you. So program to print result of arithmetic operations in console. You can take a hint like this, something like system.out.println 11 plus 3 semicolon 11 minus 3 11 into 3 11 by 3 you will get the quotient, 11 modulo 3 you will get the remainder. So for this we'll get the quotient and for this we'll get the remainder, right? So this is what is a small assignment program. Those who are practicing watching these videos. So right guys, in this session today we have discussed some basic programming in Java, some basics of Java programming and Java printing methods. So we have seen three types of printing methods here: print ln, print method, and we have also seen printf method. So right guys, so finally thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.